So I'm going to reveal the 5 key ingredients to successful video courses. Now, you may have thought that you take your course idea, your topic, and you create some videos and you put it inside a course platform and boom, you'll make money for your business. Now, I understand why you think that is because there is probably a lot more people you're seeing online creating online courses, creating their own wealth using these courses. And what you see is the end result. You see, a course topic, a landing page maybe, and some videos. And you think, cool, I can totally do that. But once you start diving in and realizing all the elements that are actually involved, that can often give you that analysis paralysis. So if trying to figure out, well, what do I need? What don't I need? Where do I start? How do I put all the pieces together? And that's no good either. So I wanted to share with you the 5 key ingredients that you need in order to have a successful online video course. So let me figure out how we're going next. Right, okay, so the 5 key ingredients. We're going to start with the first one, and that is knowing your audience. Now, look, you might say, hey, I know my audience. I've been working with them for years, and that may be so. But often a lot of us are sitting at a surface layer of our audience. We have a rough idea. We know some struggles. We know some goals. But it's actually truly knowing your audience, diving deep into, not creating a fake avatar, but diving deep into who they really are, that's going to allow us to create a course that's specifically for them, that they're going to be excited about, that is going to transform their life, get you more testimonials, and then sell your course. So it really starts with knowing that audience, truly knowing your audience. The next is the clear path to creation. So another key ingredient. You don't want to spend the next year or even 9 months creating your online course. I do have people say that they've been trying to fit the pieces together for a year. You want a clear path so you can get it done in a weekend, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, whatever fits into your time frame and how you're running your business. Having a clear path to the creation is going to allow you to create that quickly. And it's not just about the video side of things. It is about the whole concept of mapping out your entire course, what it's going to do for your audience, already knowing your audience before you even dive into creating those videos. The next is having a proven launch process. So you'll see people out there launch in many different ways: challenges, email launches, video series, webinars. And sometimes you try and copy what they're doing because I know this because I did it, right? But once you actually understand or have access to a proven process, so you have a process that is proven to work, then that's when you actually see more success in that type of launch. And look, not all launches are created equal, depending on what type of person you are, how you like to sort of run your business, and what your course is will determine what kind of launch is best for your course, whether it's a challenge, video series, emails, webinars, all sorts of things. So proven launch process is ingredient number 3. The next is results-driven analysis. So this is a very key ingredient to what happens is after you've launched, so you've got your proven launch process, you've done it, having a results-driven analysis. So this is not, oh, I feel like it went badly because I got one sale, or oh my God, the tech fell over, I'm such a tech tard and I can't do this. Now that's emotional driven analysis. We want results driven analysis. So based on the results of your launch and understanding how to interpret those. So once you understand how to interpret those results, you can then implement key ingredient number 5, which is relaunching and scaling. So scaling is all about bigger and better. So you might start your launch and you make, $5,000 or 10 grand, but you go, no, I want to make 40 grand per launch of this course or 100 grand per launch of this course. While having a relaunch and scale plan is going to help you be able to do that. But let me explain sort of what happens if you don't have all these key ingredients, if you just have a couple of them. So let's say you know your audience, you truly know your audience, right? And you have a clear path to your creation. So you know them and you've got a quick way you can implement it. Well, without having the proven launch process, the results-driven analysis, and the relaunch and scale, you might get a few sales once you sort of open your course up to your audience, but then the problem is it might peter out. So you might exhaust the audience that you have, the list that you have, and it just doesn't provide you that longevity, that sustainability in using courses as a way to generate the majority or all of your income for your business. But let's add in that you've got that proven launch process in there, you know? So you know your audience, you've got your clear path to creation, you know what kind of launch is going to work for you as a person and for your type of product that you're putting out there. But once you finished your launch, what are you going to do? Sure, you could try and relaunch in the exact same way that you did. And for the most part, that may get you a few more sales as well. But without those results driven analysis, interpreting the results and then knowing how to scale it, again, not having that longevity in your business in terms of using courses as a way to provide you that freedom in the long term, that financial and personal freedom, that is. But let's say that you have all the key elements, you know, the path to creation, launch process, results driven, you know, you've got all those. So you have a quick way to create your course. You know how you're going to, you know, follow a process to launch it, to relaunch it, to scale it. You know how to interpret the results. But then you're going to find probably in your results that you don't know your audience. And when you don't know your audience, then all that hard work you put into implementing all the processes falls flat. I know this because I've done it. That's why I speak from the knowing, is that without truly knowing your audience, you may get that surface layer. You may get a few sales, but then it starts to peter out again because you're not any different to anyone else. You're not talking truly to that person, making them feel like, oh my God, this is the person I need to work with. This is the person that's going to get me the transformation I want in my life, the desires, my goals. Without knowing that, all that hard work you're putting down this end really doesn't, again, provide you with success when you want to be profitable with creating online courses. So it's really the 5 key ingredients put all together that turns you from, you know, that overwhelmed wannabe course creator into a profitable, a confident course creating coach or solopreneur. So if you want to learn more about how this all fits together, about how you can use courses, online courses, to create that personal and financial freedom you want in your business, then make sure you click the link below this video. It's to a waitlist for my easy video course creation membership that opens a couple of times a year. You definitely want to be the first to know about that because obviously there's some neat bonuses to help you see even more success when you join that waitlist. All right, look forward to seeing you next time and happy course creating.